Well, hi there, everybody, and good Friday morning to you. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here. We've had some showers over the last 24 hours. Things kind of starting to wind down as our system starts to lift away from us here, but still at least a small chance of rain during the day today, especially during the morning hours. We're kind of between a warm front and a cold front right now, which has allowed for a surge of some warmer, more humid air out there. But once that cold front comes through, we'll see some cooler air move out on the back side of it, and winds are going to turn more out of the west and northwest behind that front. And they will be a little bit breezy, in fact, downright windy out in the western part of the viewing area. Again, those better chances of showers start to shift east later on in the afternoon hours. We may actually start to see a little bit of sun work its way out this afternoon. Although still a few lingering clouds heading into the evening hours on the backside of the system. Once those clear out after midnight, temperatures will really drop later on in the night. Winds are still going to remain a little bit breezy through the overnight as well, not really dying down until that high pressure settles in tomorrow. Lots of sunshine tomorrow, not too bad temperature-wise, close to our average highs this time of the year in the lower 60s. So a decent day Saturday after a chilly start to our day. Highs for today topping out upper 50s, lower to mid 60s up north. Notice how it gets cooler the farther west you go as that front will come through those areas first. Windier conditions out towards the west, only a very small chance of rain out west. Chances of rain not much better, but better in the central and eastern parts of the viewing area. A little bit warmer, especially down in northern Kansas. You got 60s to around 70 degrees, and then upper 60s and lower 70s out east. Again, taking more time for that front to move through, but also a little bit better chance of rain out towards the east. Your football forecast for tonight. We got a Class C1 game between the Stars of Kearney Catholic, the Holders Dusters. Not too bad, temperatures in the 50s. The winds are going to be the biggest issue for our evening games, those northwest winds on the breezy side. Class D2 game between the Palmer Tigers and the Hampton Hawks, 50s, and again, a little bit of wind out there. And then out towards the east here, we got a couple of Lincoln teams. Lincoln Southwest, the Silverhawks taking on North Star Gators. Got temperatures a little warmer, upper 50s, lower 60s. A little bit of a breeze out there, but again, not too bad as we kind of wrap up the regular season and get ready for the playoff season coming up already next week. Game day forecast for tomorrow. Of course, it's an early game, 11 a.m. kickoff in Memorial Stadium in Lincoln between the Battle of the MUs, Nebraska Northwestern there. And temperature-wise, if you're tailgating early on, we got 40s and lower 50s. A bit on the breezy side out there. Mid-50s by the time we kick things off there, probably about 54 or so for kickoff, and then low 60s at the end of the game. So not a terrible game out there, especially with that sunshine. So if you're sitting under that sunshine, you're going to be looking okay out there. Again, a little bit of a breeze during the game, but not terribly bad. Your extended forecast, we got 60s over the weekend, keeping the low 60s around Monday and Tuesday. Chance of showers will return for Tuesday through Wednesday as a cold front passes through. That front will cool us down for Wednesday and Thursday. Highs only in the 50s. And windy conditions on Wednesday, and maybe our next chance of a freeze coming in as we head towards next Thursday morning. So there you go. There's your forecast. Not a real busy forecast in store, and temperatures nothing that we're not really used to this time of the year. Pretty typical late October conditions out there over the next 7 days. So there you go. There is your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you have a great weekend.